In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sweep in Outlook. If you want a quick way to clean up your inbox and move unwanted or repetitive emails out of the way, the sweep feature in Outlook can be very helpful. It's designed to help you organize messages from a specific sender without having to manually sort through them one by one. This can save time and keep your inbox looking much more manageable. To begin, open Outlook and go to your inbox or the email folder where the messages are located. Find an email from the sender you want to manage. Once you've selected that message, look near the top of the Outlook window for the sweep option. Go ahead and click on Sweep. When the sweep menu opens, you'll be given options for how you want Outlook to handle messages from that sender. At this stage, select a folder where you want those emails to go. Choosing the right folder is important because this is where Outlook will place the emails based on the rule you're creating. For example, you might choose a folder for newsletters, promotions, receipts, or any other category that makes sense for your workflow. After selecting the folder, continue by following the on-screen prompts. Outlook will guide you through the remaining setup, and the prompts may vary slightly depending on the version of Outlook you're using. Just read each option carefully before confirming. In most cases, Outlook is helping you decide how current and future messages from that sender should be handled. As you go through the prompts, make sure the choices match what you want to happen. If you move too quickly, you could create a rule that sends emails somewhere unexpected. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent confusion later. Once you confirm the prompts, Outlook will apply the sweep action for that sender. This can immediately reduce inbox clutter and make it easier to focus on the messages that matter most. If needed, you can always review your folders afterward to make sure the emails were moved as expected. Sweep is especially useful for recurring messages that you don't need to keep in your main inbox, and it's a simple tool to learn once you've used it a couple of times. With just a few clicks, you can create a cleaner and more organized